Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Word Support. In this video I'm going to take you through a common request, how to reuse the font controls within Brailie for WordPress. So as you can see, we've currently got some lovely typography all set up by default, but perhaps you may want to change this for another Google font. We make the process pretty simple, but we're going to go through how to do this right now. So to begin with, we'll go to Customize. This is where we put our theme options, and to access the typography settings, we go to Styling and Typography. And you'll notice a few fields here. Now the first one will be where you actually specify the font URL, and the second one will be the font name, and finally the heading font name. So what this means, we're going to need to grab a new font URL for the fonts we want to use, and we're going to assume you want to use one for the headings and one for the body text, but you can also obviously use the same font for both if you want. Now to do this, we're going to go to Google Fonts, and I'm going to start by choosing a new heading font. So let's just choose something nice and obvious. Anton. Perfect. Ooh, no, let's go really horrible. Let's go Lobster. Okay, so we're going to choose Lobster as our heading font, and for the body, let's go Able. Perfect. Now in our font settings, we can go to Customize and choose extra font weights if your font supports that. The two I've chosen here don't happen to do that. However, your desired font may have several different font weights you can choose from. Choose the ones you like, and under the Embed section here, you'll see this area with the font URL. What we're actually interested in here is this portion here, which is the actual URL, the font name of it, where we've got Able and then Lobster. So we can copy this, head to the theme options, paste this into the area provided, and we'll specify Lobster for the heading font. For the body font I've done there, but I'll swap that over now. There you go, so we've got Able as the body font and Lobster as the heading font. And as you can see, that's updated for us in no time. Absolutely perfect. Just to give a slightly more complex example, because those didn't happen to choose any font weights, so it makes it look a bit simple. If I just refresh this to get rid of my selections, I'll choose something equally gaudy for the heading font. I mean, that's pretty horrible, we'll have that. And we will choose Noto Serif for the body font. So let's get rid of Daisy. Pop Noto Serif back in there. So that's left us with the two new fonts. Go to Customize. We'll grab a few extra styles. So we're going to have Noto Serif and Hanifle Phil. Probably pronouncing that terribly. So again, we'll copy the URL portion from Google Fonts, paste it into our settings here, and we're going to pop the font name and the header font name here. We'll remove the plus and just leave a space as it should be, and same for the heading font. Body text font. And there you go. That's replaced. Dead straightforward. Now if you do have any problems, do come see me over at support. Other than that, thanks for watching.